This is our text tool. Type into, bring it in, and let's add the font size. Okay, so I'm going to turn it way up to 48 and just type hello. Oh, it's white. Let me quickly change the color right here. Let's put black. So I'm just going to type in hello world. Hope the world is fine. Now you can drag this. That's not all. We're going to come here to our effects tab and add a stroke. Now you see our stroke is added. It's actually set to gradient. You can choose color and just pick a random color. But let's just go for gradient. That's cooler. And now green. Let's use something that has to be short. Purple. Purple gradient. No. Well, for the sake of studies, we'll just do anything. Let's do the red. Since we are just supposed to study. I'm going to add the stroke a little bit here to actually see the effect pretty well. Okay, now that's fine. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to duplicate this layer. Ctrl J. You see I've created a hello world copy, and I will send one of it to the back of the student. This original one I'm going to send it behind the male student. So I'll put this original one directly behind the male student. Now for the layer above, what we're going to do is you come to fill and you take it right down to 0. Now you see what we were able to create. Sorry, I hit it accidentally. You saw what we were able to create here. Okay, for you to see it pretty well, I'm going to change the color of the stroke. Let's just put the standard color. I think yellow is going to show pretty well there. Wow. There's supposed to be a color change. Okay, yeah, this is where I'm supposed to change it. This layer above, I was changing it in the wrong layer. Color, yellow. Okay, then just reduce the stroke a little bit before. Now you see what we are able to create. That's another cool effect you can do with the text and the object. Now that's not done, so I'm going to click on this, hold down Ctrl key and select this other one. Now I'm going to right click and take link layers. That way I can move it freely and they are going to move together. Now this is the second really cool thing you can actually do with text and a subject on Photoshop.